Good day, class. Did you still remember our topic last meeting? Okay, good. So what was our topic last meeting? Yes, it's all about the parts of a computer. Now, I've discussed 5 parts of a computer last meeting. What are those parts? Yes, Crizel? Yes, we have the motherboard. So, motherboard, it is the backbone of a computer. Why? Yes, because it holds most of the parts of a computer, right? Yes. Now, give me another one. Yes, we have the CPU, or the Central Processing Unit. It acts as the control system of a computer. Okay, now another one. Yes, we have GPU, or the Graphics Processing Unit. Now, Graphics Processing Unit handles the graphic related works in the computer, like for example a video or a picture, like that. Okay, another one. Yes, we have the RAM, or the Random Access Memory, or also called the PC memory. Now, lastly, what did we what is the last part of the computer that we discussed? Yes, the storage, or the ROM, or read-only memory. Okay, so read-only memory, it is like the memory card in our cell phones, right? Okay, very good. Now I have here a video, and I want you to watch it. It is a 2-minute video, and it talks about the information age. Before that, can you please arrange your chairs properly so we can watch properly, okay? And before that, I have a note. Please listen carefully to the video, and I have some questions for you later, okay?
What is information age?
The information age began around the 1970s and is still going on today. It is also known as the computer age, digital age, or new media age. This era brought about a time period in which people could access information and knowledge easily.
The information age brought about many new inventions and innovations. Many communication services, like texting, email, and social media developed in the world has not been the same since. Advantages and disadvantages of information technology in education. The use of internet technology has opened institutional boundaries. Students from developing countries now have a chance to study their desired courses at a standard similar in some cases to first world education institutions. Use of educational video games and puzzles has increased students' interest in learning. Basing on research, students enjoy learning with technology. Many schools have started providing free internet on the school campus. This helps students do research and learn on their own. Students no longer take time to solve equations and research topics. All they do is a query in Google or on a calculator, poof, the answer. Poor quality publications online. Many online publishers post content for monetary purposes, so you may find that most of the content published online is not accurate or well detailed to help students and researchers. Advantages and disadvantages of information technology in society. Advantages: improved innovation, improved entertainment, improved social discovery, globalization of knowledge, and improved communication. Disadvantages: with the increased addiction to social networks and internet games, people are spending more time on computers and reject their normal offline life, resulting in increased isolation and social imbalance. Using technology can change a child's brain. An article in Psychology Today says that the use of technology can alter the actual wiring of the brain. The information age is now. Without the information, knowledge, and discoveries of those from the past, we would not be where we are today. The past has shaped our present and will continue to shape our future.
Okay, now what have you observed about the video? Yes, it's all about information age. Now, do you have any idea what will be our topic for today? Okay, yes, it's all about advantage and disadvantage. So, do you have any slight idea of what our topic will be today? Okay, yes. Our topic for today is effects of living in the information age. Now, before that, let us first read our objectives. Okay. You have here, at the end of the topic session, the students should be able to, please read everyone, to determine the effects of the living in the information age and illustrate how the social media and the information age have impacted our lives. Now, did you still remember the note that I instructed you earlier in the video? Okay, yes, you did listen well. Now, I want you to write what you learned about the video. Let's try if you really did listen well to the video. Okay? Write your answers in a 1/2 crosswise, and you have 5 minutes to answer. Okay? Okay, time's up. Pass your papers to the front without standing up and making any unnecessary noise. Okay, how was your activity? Okay, that's good, okay? Yes. Okay, so if you listen well in the earlier in the video, you can answer your activity easy, right? Okay. So today's lesson, we will talk about the effects of the living in the information age. Now, what is information age, class? Okay, yes, Riza? Yes, very good. It's all about living in the current era, or living in a computer age. Okay, everyone please read. Okay, the information age is the idea that access to and the control of information is defining characteristics of this current era in human civilization. Also, the information age is also called the computer age, or the digital age and the new media age. It is coupled tightly with the advent of personal computers. Okay, so we are called the computer age or the digital age because all of our works now is done by computer. Now, can someone state some good effects of using these new technologies? Yes, Grizel? Yes, very good. We can easily gain access or gain information through these new technologies. But there are also side effects of that. We have the bad effects. And can someone state one? Yes, Vanessa? Very good. Internet addiction. Internet addiction is the most common bad effects of our new technologies, because many children are in their teens are always addicted to internet. Like for example, mobile games. We have Mobile Legends and etc. Now, living in this era or information age have many advantages and disadvantages in using new technologies. And here are some advantages of living in the information age. Kindly read, everyone. Okay, number one, we have online education has made educational materials and data accessible anywhere. Now, we have encountered online classes in the 2019 to 2022s. We made online classes available, right, because of COVID-19. Now, didn't we have easily access to through all the our education through internet? Like for example, we have Google Classroom, where our teachers send their our materials so that we can study, and we have Google Meet so that we can meet online. We also have Google to search our topic or something that we didn't know about, right? And also YouTube for tutorials so that we can learn easily. Now we have two. Technologies has created new methods of education. Yes, so just like what I've said earlier, we have YouTube to gain more knowledge about something. We can see there are many tutorials for any certain topic, and also we have Google to search our topic, right? And also we have, since we have advantages, we also have many disadvantages, and here are example of disadvantages living in the information age. Okay, number one, we have over-dependent on information technology. Now, just like what I've said earlier, that some students or in their teens are addicted to internet, and they don't study in a traditional way, like for example, learning in school where the teacher teach, or learning in their homes where the parents teach. They always yung pagmumukha nila is nandun na lang sa computer or cellphone ba. And number two, poor quality publications online. This is the most common problem in the internet today. Marami ang nagpo-post ng mga haka-haka lang, or there is no walang katuturan ng iba. Ang iba naman ay kulang-kulang yung data na ibinabahagi nila. Okay, so because of this, many news or articles are proven that yung iba ay haka-haka lamang. Okay? Now, since we have advantages and disadvantages living in the information age, what are the advantages of new technology in our society? Okay, so we also have here some advantages in the society. Okay, we have here improved innovation, improved entertainment, improved social discovery, globalization of knowledge, and improved communication. Now, we have improved innovation. We can innovate something new, or to create something just using our technology, because we have YouTube for tutorials, like what I've said earlier. We have improved entertainment. We have Ome TV, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, and also YouTube. We can watch funny videos in YouTube, or K-dramas or something like that. We have improved social discovery. We can discover something new through internet and many other sites. We have globalization of knowledge. We can gather data or knowledge just through surfing through internet, and it is easily accessible by each and everyone. And lastly, we have improved communication. Yes, this is the most common way to communicate now, internet. We have Messenger, Telegram, we have email, and also many more. But there are also a disadvantage of this. Just like what I've said earlier, or what Vanessa said earlier, one of the disadvantages of information age in the society is cyber sickness, or too much addiction on internet. That's why they feel ill, because they don't they forgot to nakakalimutan na nila yung sarili nila. And number 2 is technology changes the way of children thinks. Yes, most of the children now, even at the age of 3 to 10, uses cell phones, uses YouTube and Facebook, and some information in that websites can affect our children's mind. Living in this era it is truly have many advantages, but also many disadvantages. That's why we must use the new technology carefully to be in a good ethics to each and everyone. Now, I have here some questions for you. Can someone or anyone tell me about the advantages in living in the information age? Yes, Ryan. Yes, there are many advantages, and one of them is technologies has created new methods of education. Now, how about disadvantages? Okay, Grizel, you raise your hand. Oh, very good. We have over-dependence on information technology. Now, don't be too dependent, because some, just like what I've said earlier, some articles or something like that are not really true, or yung iba ay haka-haka lamang. Okay? Now, how about advantages in the information age in our society? Yes, Riza. Very good. We have improved innovation. And lastly, we have disadvantages in the society. Okay, Ryan. Very good. Cyber sickness. Now, each and every one of us can use the new technology, but we have to be very careful on how we use it. Okay, that's all for our lesson for today. Thank you for listening.